In this video, I will show you how to disable startup apps in Windows 11. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to stop unwanted apps from opening automatically when you turn on your laptop or PC. And before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here type Settings. Then underneath Best Match, click onto Settings to open up your computer settings. And from here, if you come over to the left hand side, in this menu, you want to click onto Apps. On the app screen, you're going to see an option for Startup. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen where you can see all your current apps which are set to automatically start up when your PC or laptop starts up. To disable any of these, all you need to do is find the one you want to disable. For example, I'm going to do AVG Secure Browser as I prefer to use Google Chrome. If you come to the right hand side of the app, you're going to see a switch. Give it a click and that's going to disable the startup app. Now, of course, by doing this, you're going to, of course, free up some space. And it's just going to make your PC or laptop load up a lot faster and smoother. So you can just do this for apps you don't really use or don't really need straight away. Again, you can see I've got one for Opera GX. So I'm just going to turn these ones off. And that is how to disable startup apps in Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.